Hello Begbrook. I'm just going to make a quick video here to explain how you can use bar models to understand fractions of amounts. We included that in some of our Year 4 home learning the other day, and there was a bit of confusion from a few people about it, so I thought I'd just give a go at explaining it so you can see it in a bit more of a visual representation here. And well, that's exactly what a bar model is. It's like a visual representation or a pictorial representation of a number line to form bars or boxes, and how you use them to solve number problems. So they can be used in lots of different ways. So for example, you could even use them to solve addition problems. For example, here, if I wanted to solve 34, add 16, for example, 34 and 16 would be my parts at the bottom here, and if I add those together I get 50, and then 50 would be my whole. And you could also use that same bar model to then solve 50 subtract 16 or 50 subtract 34. Okay, just as a brief introduction to them there in general. But in terms of understanding them, how to use them for fractions of amounts, we need to talk about their relationship with division. So here our problem is to find 1/5 of 20. Now in this problem our whole is 20, so that goes up there. Now to find a fraction of an amount, what we need to do is divide our whole by the denominator. Now the denominator in 1/5 here is 5, so we'd have to do 20 divided by 5, which gets us to 4. Now the way we do this on the bar model is that we'd split our bottom bar into 5 parts. I'm going to try and make them as equal as possible. You could use a ruler if you wanted to do it even more accurately. And then because I know that 20 divided by 5 equals 4, I know that each of these parts is 4. And each of these boxes represents 1/5 of 20. So 1/5 of 20, 2/5 of 20, 3/5 of 20, 4/5 of 20, 5/5 of 20, also being the whole now. So to work out 1/5 of 20, all I need to do is divide 20 by 5, and that would get me to 4. And you can see on my bar model here that 1/5 of 20 is 4. Now for when it's a non-unit fraction, this of course being a unit fraction as the numerator is 1, if it's a non-unit fraction like here, like 3/5 of 20, we still would do that first step of dividing our whole by the denominator, 20 divided by 5, we know that's 4. We would still then have each individual part, so you can see it there. But instead of looking for just 1/5 of 20, we're looking for 3/5. Now we know that 1/5 of 20 is 4, so what we'd have to do there then is take that 4 and multiply it by 3, our numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, or you can see here 4 add 4 add 4 is 12, so 3/5 of 20 is 12. And that's how you use bar models to work out or understand fractions of amounts.